I almost didn't take the call. It was late, end of the day. One of those calls you convince yourself it can wait until tomorrow. The notes just said no heat, family home, nothing dramatic. But when I walked in, my chest felt tight. And I haven't even touched the furnace yet. The house was quiet, too quiet. No TV, no music, just the sound of the blower running. The homeowner whispered, "We've all had headaches." That's when I stopped walking. Because headaches on an HVAC complaint, they're a warning. I go to the thermostat like I normally do. See it set to heat. It's calling properly. The system is running. Blower on. Burner firing. At first glance, everything's look normal. And that's what scared me. Then I smelt it. Not gas, not smoke, something worse. That faint, sweet, metallic smell. If you know it, you never forget it. I asked the homeowner, "Has anyone been dizzy?" He nodded, slow, almost embarrassed. I looked around, kids on the couch, in blankets, no energy, no noise, no movement, just breathing, slow breathing. That's when I told them, I need everyone outside right now. No debate. No explanation yet. Just movement. I shut the system down, pulled out my analyzer, and this time I don't rush. Because rushing is how people get hurt. I checked the flue, then the heat exchanger, and there it is, a crack. Small, easy to miss, but deadly. Carbon monoxide is climbing. Not enough to trip any alarms yet, but enough to make people sleepy, enough to cause headaches, enough to be dangerous. This furnace wasn't loud, it wasn't dramatic, it was quiet. And that's what made it scary. I looked at the homeowner and said, this furnace cannot run again. His face dropped, because now it wasn't about comfort. It was about safety. It was about his family. We aired out the house. Gas stayed off. I tagged the unit. Red tag. No exceptions. No. Just tonight. I watched them sit outside, wrapped in blankets, shaking, and I realized something. Most dangerous HVAC problems don't look dangerous. They look normal. They look quiet. They look like one more day. That call stayed with me, because if I had rushed, if I had assumed, if I had ignored that feeling, this would be a very different story. HVAC isn't just comfort, it's responsibility. Sometimes you're not fixing heat, you're stopping something far worse. And there's more stories like this, some louder, some scarier, and some that still keeps me up at night. Y'all want to hear more stories like this? Subscribe to WW HVAC YouTube channel. I expect people.